question first, right? In a cyclic process, the work transfers are plus 20 joule, minus 10 joule, minus 10 joule, and plus 30 joule. What is the net heat transfer of heat for this cyclic process, right? So as we know, the first law of thermodynamics tells the cyclic integral of heat transfer is equals to the cyclic integral of work transfer. Here this circle is indicate the cyclic process, right? So here we know, right, or in other word we can say the summation of net heat, right, is equals to summation of net work transfer during the cyclic process, right? This Q is a net heat transfer during the cyclic process, right? So here we have to calculate the net heat transfer. Here already we have given net work transfer, right? We have given net work transfer. Here this is plus 20, then minus, so means addition, right? So this is the algebraic sum, right? So plus of minus 10 plus minus 10 again, and plus here it is given 30, right? So this is equals to, this is 20, this minus 10 and minus 10, this become minus 20, this is 30, right? So this 20 and this 20 will cancel out, we will remain with 30, and all are in joules, so answer is 30, right? This is the answer, means net heat interaction, this is equals to plus 30 joules, right? Means it means the net heat transfer into the system, right? This is positive, means the net, we can say net heat transfer into the question number second. The heat transferred into a closed system during a process is 4200 kilojoule. If the work done by the system is 2100 kilojoule, determine the change in total energy of the system, right? For a closed system, as we know, Q minus W equals to delta E. Here delta E is the change in total energy of the system, right? So this is, we have to calculate this one, right? But here it is given heat transfer into a closed system, so it is taken Q, here Q is given positive 4200 kilojoule, right? And if the, and second part, if the work done by the system, work done, here given work done means this is the W, right? Work done and by the system, so by the system is taken positive, right? So this is given positive 2100 kilojoule, right? Here we can here this is given for heat transfer, this is plus 4200, right, means heat going into the system. And when we put this value in equation 1, right, so here 4200 minus 2100, this is equal to delta E. So from here delta E means change of total energy, right. So change in total energy, this is equals to, it will give 2100 kilojoule. So this is the answer for question 2, right. Here question 3, a petrol engine during its working stroke reject 350 kilojoule per kg of heat of the working substance. The internal energy of the working substance also decreases by 600 kilojoule per kg. Determine the work done by the engine, right. For this petrol engine also we can consider it's a closed system, right. So it's a closed system, so we know Q minus W is equals to change in its internal energy, right. Here given that heat rejects, right, heat rejects means this is the system, right. When it is heat rejects, so it's taken negative, so means Q is given negative, right. Q, here Q is given minus 350 kilojoule per kg, because this is rejecting heat, right. And here this is also given its internal energy, it decreases by 600. So here delta U, this is also decreases, means it is negative 600 kilojoule per kg, right. So if then put this value in here in equation 1, so here Q is minus 350 and minus here W we have to calculate, and here given delta U equals to minus 600, right. From here W is equals to, I can take W this side and this one is this side, so here 600 minus 350, so we will get 250. Here both unit is in kilojoule, so both are in kilojoule, so answer is also, it will give the kilojoule per kg, all are in kilojoule per kg, so this answer is also kilojoule per kg. So work done by the system, so here this is positive value, it means this is the work done by the system. This indicate that work done by the system, here system is engine, right. We can say work done by the system, or here by the engine, that is right, we can say by the engine, right. Next question, a rigid closed tank is heated. During the process 150 kilojoule of heat is transferred to the tank and 50 kilojoule of pedal wheel work is done on the gas, right. Determine the change in internal energy of the system, right. Here a closed system is there, right, it is given, so here this is a gas, right, and system is rigid, right, it means this is a closed system, right. So work, here it is given 150 joule of heat is transferred to the tank, right, this is going means heat is going into the system. This is the 150, right? So here Q is given, this is the positive 150 kilojoule, right? And 50 kilojoule is pedal wheel work done on the gas, right? Work done on the gas here, right? Work done on the gas, right? So here W is given minus 50 kilojoule, right? Work done by the system, it's taken as a positive. Work done on the system, here we are work done on this system or in this gas, right? So this is taken as a negative, right? So determine change in internal energy. So we know Q minus W, this is equals to change in internal energy, here U, right? So Q is given 150 minus, here W is given minus 50, right? So del U, right? And minus this become plus, so answer is this is 50 plus 150 plus 50, this is equals to 200, this is the delta U, right? This is delta U means change in internal energy. Here this is also, we can say that work is transfer, this energy also transfer this system, and heat is also transfer in this system. So definitely its internal energy will increase. So change in internal energy, this is the 200 kilojoule. So delta U equals to 200 kilojoule, right? So this is the answer. Here a compressor receive 5 kg per second of air, increasing enthalpy by 30 kilojoule per kg. If heat loss is 5 kilojoule per kg, find shaft work, right? Here this is the example of open system, right? Open system means here mass interaction is there, right? Mass is coming, this is given 5 kg per second, right? So given m dot, dot means this is represent rate, right? Mass flow rate, right? So here it is given 5 kg per second, right? And increase in enthalpy by 30 kilojoule per kg, right? So means here given delta H is given 30 kilojoule per kg, right? So increase, here it is increase means this is a positive, right? And here heat loss is 5 kilojoule per kg, right? This system is heat loss, this is given 5 kilojoule per kg. It means here Q is given 5 kg per second. So this is the negative, because this is the heat loss by the system, right? So it's taken negative. So from first law of thermodynamics, Q minus W is equals to delta H, right? Q here it is given minus 5 kg per kilojoule per kg, and here this is given W we have to find out, and here delta H is given delta H is given 30, right? I am not writing this unit, right? So unit are same, so here I am writing, right? So from here I will take W this side, and this is 30 in this side. So I will get W equals to minus 5 minus 30. So W equals to minus 35, and here unit is kilojoule per kg, because this is Q is in kilojoule per kg, and here delta H is also kilojoule per kg. So answer is kilojoule per kg. But only here I can write only W equals to 35 kilojoule per kg, right? So and it means this is the work done, but here I have to write work done on the system, right? System is 35 kilojoule per kg, right? But here we have given the mass flow rate, m is given, so here W I can write in this is small w, and capital W is a m into small w, right? So here this is given 5 and this is 35, so this is equals to 175 per second. It is given, it is a watt, right? So W equals to 175 kilowatt. So this is the answer. Last question. A gas absorbs 500 kilojoule of heat and perform 200 kilojoule of work. Calculate change in internal energy, right? Here we have given that gas absorbs, right? Absorb means, it means here this is a any system, so it absorbs. Absorb means so heat going into the system, right? Is given 500 kilojoule, right? And performed work 200 kilojoule of work, right? And perform, here perform is work done, right? So this is also positive, this Q is positive and W is also positive. This is the 200 kilojoule, right? So from the first law of thermodynamics we know Q minus W is equals to delta U. Delta U is the internal energy, right? So W here it is given 500 minus this is 200, this is delta U. From here delta U equals to 300 and unit is kilojoule, because both are in kilojoule, so answer is kilojoule. This is the answer, right?